Hello everyone. Welcome to CSTechbook HTML Tutorials. Today we are going to learn about HTML elements. Before we learn, I'd like to thank you for watching our channel. Please like and subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon to get new video updates. Let us learn HTML elements today. HTML elements. What are HTML elements? HTML element is an individual component, part of an HTML document. HTML element represents semantics, or meaning of the web page. HTML elements can also contain attributes that define its additional properties. How are HTML elements implemented? HTML elements are responsible for creating web pages and defining content in the web page. It has a start tag name, attributes and close tag/tag name and web page content inserted between them. What are self-closing elements? Some HTML elements do not have end tag end content. These elements are termed as self-closing elements or void elements. For example, br/element is a self-closing element. What are nested HTML elements? HTML allows us to implement the nested elements, which means an element can contain another element. Some of the basic elements of the HTML web page is 1. Heading tag, denoted using the H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6 tags. 2. Paragraph tag, denoted using the P tag. 3. Horizontal ruler tag, denoted using the hour tag. 4. Link tag, denoted using the A, anchor, tag. 5. List tag, denoted using the UL, unordered list, O, ordered list, and LI, list element, tags. 6. Image tag, denoted using the IM tag. 7. Divider tag, denoted using the div tag. 8. Span tag, denoted using the span tag. What are the types of HTML elements? Basically, there are two types of HTML elements. They are 1. Block level elements. 2. Inline elements. 1. Block level elements. Block level elements provide the proper structure of the web page and it's considered as the most important element. Block level elements divide the web page into multiple blocks, which is then rearranged to get proper structure while coding. Block level elements are always implemented in new lines with the full width of the web page, from left to right. Block level elements can have both block level as well as inline elements. Some of the block level elements listed below: address, article, aside, block quote, canvas, dd, div, dl, dt, field set, fig caption, figure, footer, form, h1 h6, header, hour, li, main, nav, noscript, o, output, p, pre, section, table, tfoot, ul and video. 1. Let us see the example for block level elements. 2. Let us write a small HTML program for explaining block level elements. 3. Open a file in any text editors like Notepad or Vim editor. 4. Write the new HTML file as mentioned in the example. 5. Open HTML tag and closed HTML tag. 6. Inside HTML tag write the open and closed heading body tags. 7. Inside the body tag we can define the whole content of the web page by using various HTML tags. 8. But in this example we have declared for div tag in open and closed format. 9. Then we have also declared a paragraph tag in open and closed format. 10. For the first div tag we have defined the color as green. 11. For the second div tag we have defined the color as brown. 12. For the third div tag we have defined the color as black. 13. For the fourth div tag we have defined the color as blue. 14. For the paragraph p tag we have defined the color as red. 15. Now save the file with .html extension. 16. and if we access the file via web browser. 17. The block level elements are displayed with colors in the web page. 2. Inline elements. Inline elements are mostly used with other elements. Inline elements provide the changes to the particular element for which is implemented. Some of the inline elements listed below. A. Abbreviated, acronym, B. Go, big, BR, button, site, code, DFN, M, I, IMG, input, KBD, label, map, object, Q, SAMP, script, select, small, span, strong, sub, textria, time, TT, var. 1. Let us see the example for block level elements. 2. Let us write a small HTML program for explaining block level elements. 3. Open a file in any text editors like Notepad or Vim editor. 4. Write the new HTML file as mentioned in the example. 5. Open HTML tag and closed HTML tag. 6. Inside HTML tag write the open and closed heading body tags. 7. Inside the body tag we can define the whole content of the web page by using various HTML tags. 8. An anchor tag and span tag is declared. 9. In the anchor tag an image file is included using ref attribute. 10. In the span tag just the background color is set as red. 11. Now save the file with .html extension. 12. And if we access the file via web browser. 13. The anchor tag image and block level elements span tag content are displayed with red colors in the web page. 14. If we click the anchor tag content the whole page will be redirected to the anchor tag image URL. All these HTML elements will be discussed in future chapters. Let's us learn about another new topic in the next video. Thanks for watching our channel. Please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates. See you in the next video. Bye.